Hello students, today I'll explain a very interesting poem of class 6. The poem is The Quarrel, which you can relate to yourself if you have a sibling. Sibling means a brother or a sister. The poet of this poem is Eleanor Fergie. So children, this is the time to think over these questions. What is a quarrel? Do fight and quarrel have similar meanings? Let us discuss what is a quarrel. Quarrel is an argument. It is an argument. It is not a physical quarrel. So we can say that quarrel is a fight with someone about something using words. Basically, it is an angry argument or disagreement. Whereas during fight, one uses force to hurt or defeat someone. So here we use physical strength, which we completely avoid during a quarrel. Let us know a little about the poem that we are going to read. So this poem is about the quarrel of siblings. We often quarrel with our brother or sister on very petty small issues, which can be as small as like he ate my chocolate, she changed the channel, she wore my t-shirt, he took my doll, and sometimes we don't even remember the reason why we quarreled. But the truth is, we can't live without talking to our brother and sisters for a long time. Students, now let us have a warm-up session. So what is a quarrel that we have just discussed in the previous slide? Here some of the situations are given where people usually have a fight, like at a party, during prayers, in the market, when people mistreat each other, while complaining, while helping each other. So these are a few situations where you will usually find people fighting with each other. Now here is a question given for you all. Have you ever quarreled with anyone? What was the reason? How did you feel later? Tell your friends. You have to mention a quarrel, and then you have to tell the reason behind that quarrel. How did you feel after the quarrel? So mention all these things in a paragraph. Let us meet with the poet of the poem. Eleanor Fergie was born on 13th February 1881 in England. She was the daughter of Benjamin Leopold Fergie, a writer and a novelist. She was encouraged by her father to write from the age of 5. So she has started writing with a very tender age. She was a writer, poet and a playwright. Her poems are loved by children all over the world. Her best known work is probably the hymn Morning Has Broken, and she died on June 5, 1965. Here is the poem. As we have just discussed a little about the poet and the poem, so first of all we'll read the 2 stanzas of the poem, and then explanation will be done. So let us read the poem first. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Let us see the explanation of the first stanza. Here the poet says that she quarreled with her brother. She could not even figure out how did it start. How did the quarrel start? Something happened between them which led to other, and they started abusing each other. Initially it was a small fight, but very soon it became strong, it became serious. Her brother said that he was right and the poet was wrong. However, according to the poet, she was right and he was wrong. When she was right and her brother was wrong. As we don't know the cause of fight because it has not been given in the poem, we can't figure out who was wrong. Come to the second stanza. That day, after the fight, they started hating each other. Now the fight had become so serious that both the brother and sister, they started hating each other. They didn't want to see each other. The whole afternoon they did not talk, and hence it went bad for them. But suddenly her brother patted on her back and said that they can't remain so throughout the night and that he wants to settle the matter. The poet's brother, accepts his mistake and the poet forgives him. Finally, the fight is settled. In the end, the poet says that now he was in the right. Probably she considers his accepting mistake as a right decision, or she is accepting that he was right and she herself was wrong. Whatever her thought may be, the fight is settled and they are friendly again. So we have just read a very interesting poem which was about a quarrel between a brother and a sister, and I hope you all must have enjoyed reading this. After reading the poem, here is a very small assignment for you. You can see a few questions are given there on the slide, and the questions are based on stanzas. Means for answering these questions you have to read the stanza first, and for your convenience options are also given there. So after completing the assignment, please submit your answer on Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.